In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Epson L4160 printer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to reset this particular model of Epson printer or any other similar one. To do this, you will have to use a tool that is available on wic.support. So this tool allows you to reset not only the Epson printers, but also printers from any other manufacturer or any other brand. So go to wic.support and on this website, choose the option to download for free. You can download the tool used to perform this reset for free. However, every time that you want to use it, you will need to purchase a reset key. You have the opportunity to do a one-time trial, so if you don't want to purchase a key, you can still do this once, but every single future time that you want to do it, you will need a reset key. So download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you have this tool downloaded, open it up. Inside of the tool, the first thing that you will see is that they ask you to connect your printer using USB or through the network. So if you haven't already connected your printer to your PC or laptop running this program, go ahead and connect it. With the printer connected, it is going to appear on the left, and once you select it, you will see the information. First, read the waste counters. This will give you an accurate reading on if you need to perform the reset. If you notice any signs that the waste counters aren't good, then you can proceed to choosing Reset Waste Counters. So click on Read Waste Counters first and then Reset. When you choose Reset, they are going to ask you to input the key. If you want to purchase a key, choose this option here. So you will be able to choose from a variety of payment methods. Or if you want to do a one-time trial, simply type trial on this input field. So if you type the word trial and you choose OK, you will be able to do a one-time trial. This will still perform the reset, and as you can see, in order to apply all the changes, make sure that you turn it off now. So turn off the printer, follow the instructions, and you will be able to have it reset. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Epson L4160 printer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.